So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Samsung applications just keep crashing. Now this can mean that these Samsung apps on your phone, like your Samsung phone has these Samsung apps, maybe these applications are crashing, or maybe just your phone in general, the apps are crashing. Number one, we want to make sure it's not some sort of a random glitch going on in the background. Your best bet to start off with is to just kind of go through and just double check that you're up to date on your Samsung device's software updates. So go inside of your Samsung phone, application settings, tap on software update right here, tap on download and install, and just see and make sure that you have the latest version downloaded. Sometimes that can be the main problem you run into, and that is exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. Now, if you do that and that still doesn't seem to be working, the next thing I'd recommend doing here is to just go through and double check your phone storage. Sometimes you might not have enough phone storage inside of your device, so what I'd recommend doing here is going inside of your phone and clicking on General Management, tapping on your phone, your not device, General Management, Device Care right here, tapping on Storage, and just making sure you have enough storage saved on your device. That can very well be another problem that you might run into, and that's exactly what I recommend doing in this particular situation as well. Now, if that's not working, you might want to just double check and make sure. So what I'd recommend doing here is to go through and tap onto Down Detector right here, and just go through and just make sure that Down Detector isn't showing that your applications are down, because if they are, then that can mean that your applications are down and you might have to just wait until they fix it, or you can try reinstalling those apps as well. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.